I'm here at Dedicated 2018, and my theme is boat, ocean, and beach. And I'm wearing the color like mint kind of color, and I don't know what to say.
Are you incorporating any of your theme in your dance?
Yes, I do a lot of ocean moves,
Oh, nice.
or ocean hand movements.